Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing good today. So today I'm giving you lesson number 14, that is how to make a leaf. It is very simple and beautiful leaf pattern. So let's start. We are going to make a foundation chain, that is chain 15. We are making 15 chains. If you are new on my channel, please do subscribe and share my video, like my video. And if you want more crochet patterns, please visit to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. So here we completed the 15 chains. We will make a single crochet in very first chain. Now we will make 1/2 double crochet in next chain. Now 2 double crochet in next 2 chains. Two double crochet in next 2 chains. Now we have to make 6 triple crochet in next 6 chains. Now we have to make 2 double crochet. Now time to make a 1/2 double crochet in next chain. And single crochet in next chain. Now time to make the other side. For that we will make single crochet in the same chain, that is first chain. Now 1/2 double crochet in next chain. Two double crochet in next 2 chains. Now 6 triple crochets in next 6 chains. Now time to make 2 double crochet in next 2 chains. Now half double crochet in next chain and a single crochet in very last chain and slip stitch with other side to join this. So here is a leaf pattern. This is a very simple and easy method. I hope you will like. Now time to make a leaf line. We are going to make a simple slip stitch in the mid of the leaf. As you can see, we have to insert the hook in the leaf, take over the yarn and take it out from the leaf and pass from the loop. Like this. This will create a very beautiful line on the leaf. So here is a very simple and basic method of making crochet leaf. I hope you will like my video. So and try it in any of your project. Let me show you the very complete look of our leaf. So this is our final look. Look at this, how beautiful our leaf is. I hope you will like my video. For more patterns, please visit my channel. And stay tuned. Take care.